What you're saying, people, back with a bang. This is the Money Management. In today's video, it's all about goals, goals, goals. As you guys know, this is a channel for high-driven people. People who want to achieve great things. People who want to get successful. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to break down your goals, why you need goals, exactly what you want to do when it comes to your goals. So of course, we all have different goals, we all have different dreams, we all have different things we want to accomplish in this life. Whether that comes to money, sports, entertainment, your career, it doesn't matter. We all have stuff we want to get to. I'm going to tell you how you need to break that down. But as always, before we get into that, we need those likes on these videos, get us those thumbs up, get these videos out to more people, share them with your friends, and of course, if you're new around here, subscribe. Added to that, we need to see more comments so I can interact with you guys. I love interacting with you guys and commenting on what you guys can comment on. So just let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys have seen, what you guys think about the videos. Also, constructive criticism is always allowed, so make you guys throw that into comments as well. So let's talk about the goals. You want goals, you want to do something, you want to achieve something. How do you do that? Well, start by actually planning something out, writing something down. You want to become a millionaire by 35. You want to have 100,000 saved up by 30. You want to invest at least $1,000 per month. You want to have $20,000 in the stock market by 40. You want to read at least 10 pages of your book each and every day. It doesn't matter. Everybody who has goals needs to first start by writing them down. Again, like I said, it can be different goals. You want to get your master's degree by 2025. You want to get, this business started. You want to get that business started. You want to start different things. You want to read different things. You want to wake up early every day. You want to earn $10 an hour. It doesn't matter. Everyone's goals range. For some of you, making $10 an hour is easy. For some people, they've never even made $10 an hour. For some of you, you might have had 5 different jobs. For some of you, you may have never had a job. Some of you may have a master's degree, a PhD. Some of you may never even have a bachelor's. It doesn't matter. We all have goals, but you need to start by setting it out. So when it comes to how you attack that goal, this is what I say. Plan where you want to be in terms of that goal within the next 1 year, 5 years, and maybe even 10 years if you can think that long term. Personally, I go max up to 5 years, but everyone is different. So some of you may know what you want to do in 10 years, where you want to be in 10 years. And that's good. If you want to, know where you want to get to, then write that down. You can start breaking it down backwards. So what do I mean by that? Well, when it comes to, let's say, starting a business, start going to the gym, lifting, you start off by writing by, this date, 2025, I want to have gained 10 pounds of muscle. I want to become, this person. I want to have done this much in my business. It doesn't matter. You write it down in your journal, you write it down your notes, write it down on your computer, in a Word document. I don't care. But write it down, put a date there, and you start setting goals towards that date. Even if it's something so small as waking up early each and every day. You start writing it down, and guess what? As you go towards it, we can start figuring out how we're going to do that. If you want to start a side hustle, you start that side hustle. You put down what side hustle you want to start. It doesn't matter, again, courses, ebooks, training, coaching, teaching, write it down so you know what you want to do and you know when you want to accomplish it by. I'm telling you, when it comes to your goals, if you want to travel the world for 2 years, write that down. It's much easier when you can see it, know exactly what you want to do before we plan how we're going to attack it. So when it comes to our plan, like I said, 1 year, 5 year plan, sometimes 10-year plan, we're going to start breaking it down. If you want to, let's say, have 10,000 saved up by the end of 2025, well, that means 2,000 each and every year. How are you going to do that? Well, you need to make a certain amount each and every year so you can save 2,000 each and every year. Now you understand how to start looking at your goals. This is a channel for high-driven people, like I said. So when it comes to our goals, we've got to have high goals, reachable goals, but stuff that we're going to actually be able to break down and start attacking. If you want to become a millionaire by 35, well, how much is a million? Well, 2,700 each and every day. How am I going to make 2,700 each and every day? Am I going to sell 5 products for, 500? Am I going to sell 10 products for 270? It doesn't matter. Break down how you're going to get that money each and every day. If you're about passive income, break it down. If you're starting a side hustle, break it down. If you want to invest in real estate, find out how many properties I want to have, to be able to afford this apartment complex. Find out how many duplexes I have to be able to afford this mansion eventually. It doesn't matter. If you want to become a realtor, find out what tests you need to do, how you're going to break that down. Again, it's important how we structure it. Because I can say, I want to be a millionaire in 1 year. No idea how to do it, no idea what it means, no idea what it takes, no idea how much I need to make each and every day. It's just a go up in the air. It's not really a set plan. You need to set a plan towards your goal. And that comes by starting with writing your goal, finding out what you want to do. And then again, we can break it down. So for those of you who want to wake up each and every day, how do we tackle that? How do we handle that? Well, what is early for you? 8 a.m. may be early. 6 a.m. may be early. 5 a.m. may not even be early to some of you. But you need to start by doing this. All right, I wake up at 9 every day. I want to start waking up at 6. All right, we'll do it slowly. Start waking up at 7, then 6:30, then 6. Start doing it once a week, twice a week. Eventually, you go a month waking up at 6 each and every day. Once you realize that you structure your goals and start working around them, planning around your goals, Trust me, you're on the right path. Everybody has what they want to accomplish, but not everybody has a plan or way they want to accomplish. Just like they say, everyone wants to be rich, but no one wants to put in the hard work. Well, that doesn't make any sense, because if you want to get rich, you're going to have to put in the work. What is rich to you? Rich may be 100k a year. Rich may be $1 million a year. It doesn't matter. Rich may be living off 180k and having a load of passive income and free time. Rich may be you working for the biggest firms in the world and earning $2 million a year. It doesn't matter. We're all different. Some of us want to be employees. Some of us want to be business owners. Some of us want to be self-sufficient. It doesn't matter. What I'm telling you, when it comes to your goals, is have your goals, but set out how you want to do it. It is no good. I'm going to remind you, it is no good saying you want to start waking up early each and every day. But you set your alarm every now and then. You try and wake up early every now and then. You don't really have a set plan. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Tomorrow will be another day. Tomorrow will be another video. But that's it, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got money to making. You got money to making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.